If a car part breaks, this one won't. Taken from your grandfather's car and still performing amazingly. That's the carbon ceramic brake disc. Other than being expensive, it has no flaws. The only downside is that I'm too poor to afford it. Carbon fibers and thermoplastic resin scraps are used. The machine fills the lower half of an aluminum mold. Only half is filled to insert aluminum cores into the mold's holes. These holes are essential for better heat dissipation of the brake disc. Once the cores are in place, the mold moves to the next filling station to fill the remaining space. Workers cover the mold and use a press to compact the carbon fiber mixture. Then a larger press applies 20 tons of pressure and releases heat at 200 degrees Celsius, fusing the loose scraps together. The pressed brake disc is then cooled with cold water, and the mold is removed. The carbon ceramic brake disc is taken out, but it's not strong enough yet. It needs to be baked for 48 hours in an oven, with the temperature gradually increasing to 980 degrees. This causes chemical changes in the carbon fibers. Next, the treated brake disc is placed in a container filled with silica sand. The disc is heated to 1600 degrees Celsius, melting the silica into the disc, significantly improving its quality. Finally, the brake disc is sprayed with an oxidation-resistant paint to protect the carbon ceramic from high temperatures and increase its lifespan. Robotic arms then automatically grind the disc, completing the manufacturing process. So, the high cost is justified by the intricate and precise production process.